How to share OneDrive link to others? Well, that is actually very easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys that in this video. So, as you can see over here, I am in fact in OneDrive, and over here I've created a new folder at the top just to test it out for this video. And you can already see this share button basically. You can also see it if you click on the three dots. You can also click on to share. But if I click on this share button, here I have a couple of different options. So it's actually extremely annoying that it automatically translates it to Dutch, my own language. So you guys can't really understand what it basically says. But here I can copy the link, and here I can enter an email address and share it with others via email. Now, if you want to copy the link, you can simply here click on the copy button and then click on copy. And there you go. And now it says everyone with this link can edit. So keep that in mind. Now, if you click on here, you can actually edit this as well. So you can actually select specific person and then enter an email or name so that you can send the link to that person, but only that person can edit it. Now, if you have it selected on everyone, then obviously everyone can edit it. It says share with everyone, signing in is not required. And there's even more options over here if that person can actually edit it or only view it. So keep that in mind as well. And then if you like this, simply click on accept and then copy the link again. And then, you can send it to anybody you would like to. And then this is how it will look like. So yeah, that is how to share OneDrive link to others.